Few Halloween sights stop people in their tracks like a massive spider crawling across a yard or hanging from a web that spans your entire porch. The moment those glowing eyes and long looming legs appear in the moonlight, it triggers a mix of fear and fascination. Giant spider decor isn't just decoration, it's a moment of storytelling. It's the transformation of calm corners into webs of mystery, where visitors can't help but look twice. In this video, we'll explore 3 key layers of design that bring Halloween spaces to life: the stage of presence, the mood of shadows, and the whisper of detail. Together, they build emotion, balance, and storytelling through light, scale, and space. Every great display begins with presence, the way a space introduces itself before anything moves or glows. It's not just about what fills the frame, but how the space breathes. When structure and proportion align, your setting gains purpose and focus. The atmosphere feels intentional, even before the details appear. Presence gives your Halloween setup weight. It anchors the imagination. Whether open or enclosed, calm or charged, this stage defines how everything else will be felt. When you picture your ideal Halloween vibe, do you imagine eerie calm or dramatic intensity? Share your favorite tone in the comments below. Once your stage is set, mood takes over. The play between light and shadow transforms stillness into feeling. Shadows stretch and shift, light flickers and fades. And in that rhythm, the scene comes alive. Atmosphere is not about filling every space, but about knowing when to let emptiness speak. Each pocket of light should feel earned. When the mood flows naturally, your design feels cinematic, alive, mysterious, and endlessly watchable. For more bold and creative Halloween decorating inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more festive ideas. The smallest touches complete the illusion. A flicker, a reflection, a perfectly placed accent. These are what give emotion to the whole. When details are refined and intentional, they guide the viewer's eye gently through the story without demanding attention. It's these quiet, invisible choices that separate decoration from design. They invite curiosity and create harmony between the grand and the subtle. If these oversized Halloween yard ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love going big for spooky season. And just like that, your Halloween world is complete. Through presence, shadow, and detail, you've crafted something far beyond display. A living mood that breathes with imagination and mystery. This is how spaces tell stories, through feeling, rhythm, and light. May your Halloween nights echo with wonder and quiet tension. Here's to creating spaces that awaken the imagination. Haunting, beautiful, and truly unforgettable.